Sale invoice. A sale invoice in ERP, that's Enterprise Resource Planning, is an official document that records the sale of goods or services to a customer, including all financial and logistical details. It's typically generated after the goods are delivered or services are rendered, and it becomes the basis for payment collection. Now, in order to create a sale invoice from an approved sale order, you have been given with the user credentials. Enter your username and password. Now click on login. Now go to your transaction, click on sales. You have sale invoice here. So now in order to create a sale invoice from approved sale order, we are clicking on this pending icon. Here we have a pending sale order, where sale order in ERP, it's a key business document generated when a customer commits to purchasing products or services from a company. It serves as a base document for fulfillment and billing process in ERP systems. So this is an insulated panel which have been approved sale order and giving it as create invoice. And so we hold a location ID, a unit, an invoice date. Here entering up the prefix, that's of sales invoice prefix. And so invoice number will be given up. And so we have Incoterm, payment term, an account payable, account receivable class, which is of sales invoice. And we have a lot number. And so the sale order details will be fetched up here. So make sure that all the other items have been filled up, and so we'll be adding up according to our requirement appropriately. So after this, we are going to allocate LS batch. After giving create journal, click on post, so that the document will be moving on to a approval user. Now click on workflow approval. So this is a page of approval user, and so the document for sales invoice have been fallen here. Now click on the select option, give up your process for approval, click on approve, click on process again. And so the sales invoice approval document has been approved. So let's look up the status at user login. And so the status have been changed from entry completed to invoiced, and this is the insulated panels with item that have been taken from pending sale order, and so it's been invoiced. So this is how you create a sale invoice from a pending sale order.